molting. Hey, Sage, come on. Such a nice night. Well, we're out looking for whitetail sheds. Trav found one in this area from the truck and then tried to get permission, and last night got permission, so today we decided to come down and see if we can find the one he saw and maybe more. So, working the dog.
I think it's in like a 4. Find it. Is that a nice one?
Find the back.
Come on, Sage,
Where is it, Sage? Where is it? Find it.
Good girl, Sage.
Good girl. Okay, Sage, come. Come. Sit. Sit. Good. Wait. Oh, look at you.
Keep on going.
Find it. Where is it? Find the back. Come on, find it.
That's a good girl.
What'd you find, Sage?
Back. Look at that tiny little thing.
Hey.
Something's chewing on him already.
Yeah, coyotes. Good girl, Sage. Okay, super nice evening. Gotta love the prairies, eh, Sager? There's Trav over there. You can't really see him in this, but so far only 2 sheds, but that's okay because we still got time and still got a bit of this field to cover, so. Hey, good girl, you find it. Where's the back? Okay, still out looking for sheds. Kind of in pasture now. They're like crossing this fence for sure, but I wanted to show you this rubbed post. They'll rub this stuff right down to nothing. It's kind of crazy. Anyways, nice night. What did you find?
No, nothing. Other than that little guy.
Nothing, eh? So we're at 2 now?
Oh, 3.
3?
Yeah, the first one in Carson's truck.
Oh, I guess, yeah. The one we didn't pick up because it was all crusty and stinky from being in the slough. Well, Sage has given up the search and she's now just zooming between the 2 of us. Hey, Trav, tell them what we found tonight.
3.
3.
Quick evening, John. One right there. Down in the water.
Yeah, that's the one we found earlier.
Tell everybody that. Let's show off. Here,
come on, Sage. Back. Where is it?
Sagey, back. Get in there. Find that back. Sagey, get in there. Find that back. Good girl.
Yes,
Sagey.
good girl. Bring it.
Back. Good girl.
Okay, Sage, come.
Come here. Sit. Good girl. Wait. Good girl. Wait. Okay. That's actually would have been sweet, freshy.
Yeah, broken off though. We're done for the evening. back to the car. Okay, out here in a blizzard, shed hunting and some coolies. Just finally got permission to go here, and we only have a month before they close this area, so making the most of it, even though it's literally snowing sideways. Whew, snowy. Well, haven't found a shed yet. Having some troubles today, but we're gonna sled down this hill. Oh. Well, did you find any?
Fuck, I didn't see deer.
I saw a deer.
Bucks?
Yep, 2 bucks.
On?
Yep, both sides. Yep. 170. Snowy day. Well, there's a truck. I think we might have got skunked today. Hey, Sager? I think it's not our day. I mean, there is like 6 inches of fresh snow, but oh well. Shitty day in paradise. Sage, watch. Yes, Beck. Find it. Find it. Where is it? Where is it? Where's Beck? There it is, right there. Gonna work her. Come, Sage. Where's the Beck? Oh, what's that? Good girl. Okay, come. There it is, a little 2-point. Okay, Sage. Well, we decided to switch spots and look for some mule deer sheds from some bucks that Trav has been watching. See if we can do a little bit better than the spot we were in earlier. Found one from the ditch, but first mule deer shed anyway, so yeah, we'll see if we can find a couple more. What'd you find? Sweet. No blood? Oh, nice.
It's hard to see. I don't think the one we were looking for, but the other one's bigger.
Huh. Pretty cool. She's found something. What's that? Good girl. Good girl. Come. Come here. Good girl. Okay, sit.
It's him. This is him. This is the man.
Nice. nice flyer. Cool.
That's the wide one I got in the video.
Sweet.
Sweet.
That's so
I thought
awesome.
he was actually bigger.
Sweet. What'd you get? Oh.
One side or the other.
They're all sagey. That's pretty cool.
Sweet. Not a bad day.
Yeah, I would say.
Got some
Doing
action.
not bad considering we were at a loss earlier, thinking we got skunked.